Seneca Thorne now tells us that the Hinterland Employment and Youth Service HEYS venture will be replaced with a more intense program aimed at targeting more youths countrywide.
This is according to Minister of Indigenous Peoples Affairs Sidney Allicock. He explained that the current HEYS program is successful. However, it will be restructured through collaboration between the Ministries of Education and Cohesion to create a more holistic training package for youth throughout Guyana.
While it is a good program, we also have other youth programs across different, we have more than HEYS. We are in discussion with the Ministry of Social Cohesion and the Ministry of Education of how we could harness and put our best foot forward in doing a program that is going to be, I think, more beneficial with the finances that we have, focus more on more aggressive sort of training.
The Ministry of Education is tasked with developing a paper for the new program. Minister Allicock added that the Green Enterprise Development Center that will be established at Bena Hill Region 9 will further prepare Indigenous youths for the anticipated developments expected to accrue from the oil sector.
In preparation for the anticipated good of what oil will bring, not the direct but indirect benefit that when the roads start, when the hydros start, we need our technical people there, and this is the workforce that you need. So it is helping them to prepare and get in readiness for this, and so their communities would have that economic strength to keep them through creation of your own jobs.
Some 1,872 Indigenous youth will receive training through the Ministry of Indigenous Peoples Affairs in a number of skilled areas. Another 1,958 are nearing the end of their training, making it a total of 3,830 trained over the past 2 years. Seneca Thorne for InfoHub.